I'm now in the stockyard and I saw this new Yaris Cross SE HEV. I decided to borrow it even though it's not yet ready, but they put tint already. I am going around to take a video so I can share with you what is the feature of the Yaris Cross SEV. I'm going to take an aerial shot of this car also later. So what are the new feature of the Yaris Cross HEV? So let's come closer. They have not removed the cover yet. Okay, this is for protection during shipping. But anyway, we're more on looking at the feature of this car. So this is the front lamp. This is the fog light. There's a sensor there. And what's new is here. Okay, this is something new for this model. Okay, yeah, it's more sporty, and if you look at it, this one goes directly to the back here. There's a side molding also, and this one goes straight from the side to the back. Okay, here to the bumper. Yaris Cross in boss, and there's a light also at the bottom, and you can distinguish this model here, HEV SE. The formal model, there's another model, HEV S. This is SE. And also for this SE, I was informed that there is a camera here. Okay, it's locked. Let's try to open it. Try to open it. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay, this one has already a rear camera, and there's a cover here, so if you don't want people to see what you're carrying, you can do this. Okay, so you could cover. And by the way, this is also removable. And here you have storage space, another storage space, and below here is your spare tire. The spare tire is a donut tire. Most HEV either no spare tire or donut tire. Sometimes we're lucky there is a spare tire because of the space, some of the space being taken by the HEV battery. Pretty good space here. Okay, and let's take a view. Although the, how do you call this, the plastic is still there, they are preparing this. They just put tint, and I said let me borrow this for a quick video. So we're returning this after a while. And also this one, look, it's already automatic. So other than the dashcam that is here, there's also another camera here. Okay. and there are sensors on the side. It looks a lot more sporty. Okay, and also for this one, there's a camera here, and also a sensor. And as you can see, there's a can the camera see this? There's a blind spot monitor, and for the roof, it's in black color. Now let's try to get inside. And I will start the car. It's already push start. You cannot hear anything when it starts because this is an HEV. So the battery comes in. Oh, the sound is Pioneer. The sound system is Pioneer. And it has all the features already. If you look at this one, there's an adaptive cruise control. This is the lane tracing assist. If you see this, that's adaptive. It adjusts the distance from the car. Okay, and also here are some of the control. We could adjust it. Okay, using this one, could adjust it. Okay, brightness level, and we could also change it. But since this is to be set up yet, I wouldn't be touching it. Okay. The sound system is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay ready. You could also use USB, you could also use Bluetooth. And okay, here, control to open the back, parking, EB mode, automatic beam. So wow, it has automatic beam also. Okay, and then it has a blind. Okay, when you push this one, it has a 360 view. Okay, it has 360 view already. You could see both sides and the rear, and 360 view. And also the brake is okay, electronic brake system already. Okay, you push it to release it. Okay, and let's go to reverse. When you put to reverse, you could see the reverse camera. Okay, and it has a wireless charging. Yeah, wireless charging, and USB-C, USB-A, and okay, the cup holder is here. Cup holders here. There's another one here. You have two cup holder. And can you open this? Yes. There's a cigarette lighter plug here. And auto window also. Wow, this car has a lot of feature, huh? Left, right to adjust the side mirror. Auto, so when it's auto, when you turn this off, okay, when it's auto, okay, power lock, power window lock, and also open. moonroof. Okay, it has a moonroof. Controlled here. It has a moonroof. And the light door. Okay. And there's a mirror here with light. And also here, mirror with light. You could put your ETC card here, or Easy Trip card here, or Auto Sweep card. And then it's a Pioneer speaker also. Look. So this car has a lot of feature. Very interesting. It's HEV also. I guess that's all the feature now that I am going to show you. That's part, reverse, neutral, drive, B mode. Okay, I'm turning this off and we're going out. Okay, interesting, very interesting car with a lot of feature and very sporty. Now let's okay, so I guess that's all for now. This is the feature of the Yaris Cross SE HEV. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.